Yo, entrepreneurs! Want to crush it in the digital world? Tired of the 9-to-5 grind? You're in the right place. Forget about dusty old business models. It's time to dive headfirst into the print-on-demand pod revolution. This is your ticket to building a thriving business, all without holding mountains of inventory or breaking the bank. We're talking about selling custom-designed products like t-shirts, mugs, phone cases, and more, all without ever touching a printing press. Sounds good, right? This ain't your grandpa's business model. Pod is the future of e-commerce, and it's exploding right now. It's the perfect side hustle or even a full-time gig. We're here to guide you on a 7-day sprint to launch your very own pod empire. No fluff, no BS, just actionable steps to get you from zero to hero in just 1 week. We're gonna break it down step by step so you can start printing money faster than a Lamborghini hits 60 mph. This is about turning your hustle into a tangible reality. It's about taking control of your future. You're the CEO of your own destiny. Forget the doubters and the naysayers. They're just noise in the system. We're here to amplify your signal, to give you the tools and strategies you need to succeed. This is about turning your passion into profit. Get ready to unleash your creativity, build a brand, and connect with your audience. Welcome to the Pod Revolution. This guide is your blueprint. It's your cheat sheet to crushing it in the world of print on demand. We're going to cover everything from finding your niche to marketing like a pro. Get ready to learn, to hustle, and to watch your business grow. Let's do this. Let's break it down. Print on demand is a game changer. It's the ultimate low-risk business model. Here's the deal. You create awesome designs, put them on products like t-shirts, mugs, phone cases, whatever you can imagine, and list them on your online store. No need to worry about inventory or shipping. When a customer orders your product, the pod provider handles everything. They print, pack, and ship directly to your customer. It's magic. Think about it. No upfront costs, no warehouses full of unsold merch, no shipping nightmares. You focus on what you do best, creating killer designs and building your brand. This is about leveraging technology and the power of the internet to make your entrepreneurial dreams a reality. It's about working smarter, not harder. The beauty of Pod is its flexibility. You can start small, test different designs and products, and scale up as your business grows. It's the perfect side hustle for those looking to dip their toes into the entrepreneurial waters. And the best part? You can do it all from anywhere in the world. All you need is a laptop, an internet connection, and that fire in your belly. So why is print on demand so awesome? It's low risk, easy to set up, and offers incredible flexibility. It's the perfect way to turn your creativity into a profitable business. Let's dive in. Now let's talk about niches. This is where the magic happens. A niche is a specific group of people with shared interests, passions, or problems. Think dog lovers, gamers, fitness fanatics, or even fans of a particular TV show. The key is to find a niche that you're passionate about and that has a hungry audience. Finding your niche is about identifying a group of people you can connect with, a group that resonates with your own interests and values. It's about understanding their needs, their desires, and their sense of humor. This is about building a community, not just selling products. Think about your own interests. What are you passionate about? What do you spend your free time reading about, watching, or doing? What problems do you face that others might share? These are all clues to potential niches. You can also use tools like Google Trends, social media listening tools, and online forums to research different niches and see what's trending. Remember, your niche should be something you're genuinely interested in. This will make the entire process more enjoyable and sustainable in the long run. Don't chase trends blindly. Find something you can connect with on a personal level. That's how you build a brand that lasts. All right, let's talk design. You don't need to be a graphic design wizard to create awesome products. There are tons of tools and resources available to help you create eye-catching designs that resonate with your niche. Think Canva, Adobe Spark, or even free online resources like Creative Commons. The key is to create designs that are unique, memorable, and relevant to your niche. Think about the colors, fonts, and imagery that appeal to your target audience. Don't be afraid to experiment and try different styles. You can even hire a freelance designer if you need extra help. There are tons of talented designers on platforms like Fiverr and Upwork. Remember, your designs are the face of your brand. They're what will make your product stand out from the crowd. Invest time and effort into creating designs that are both visually appealing and meaningful to your audience. This is about more than just slapping a logo on a t-shirt. It's about creating a brand identity that resonates with your niche. Don't be afraid to get feedback on your designs. Share them with friends, family, or even potential customers. Get their honest opinions and use their feedback to improve your designs. Remember, the design process is iterative. It's about refining your ideas until you have something truly special. Section 5. Setting up shop, your online store awaits. Now it's time to build your online empire. Setting up an online store is easier than you think. Platforms like Shopify, Etsy, and Squarespace make it incredibly simple to create a professional-looking store in minutes. These platforms offer user-friendly interfaces, customizable templates, and secure payment gateways. Choose a platform that aligns with your needs and budget. Shopify is great for larger businesses with more complex requirements, while Etsy is perfect for handmade and vintage items. Squarespace offers a beautiful and intuitive platform for those who want creative control over their store's design. Once you've chosen your platform, it's time to integrate your pod provider. Platforms like Printful, Printify, and Guten offer seamless integrations with popular e-commerce platforms. This means that when a customer places an order, the pod provider automatically receives the order details and handles the printing, packing, and shipping. You don't have to lift a finger. Spend time customizing your store's design, adding high-quality product photos, and writing compelling product descriptions. Your store should be visually appealing, easy to navigate, and showcase the unique value proposition of your brand. Remember, your online store is your digital storefront. Make it count. Section 6. Marketing Mania. Spread the word and watch your business grow. You've got your store set up, your designs are fire, and you're ready to launch. Now it's time to spread the word and get those sales rolling in. Marketing is the engine that drives your business growth. It's about getting your products in front of the right people at the right time with the right message. Social media is your best friend when it comes to marketing your pod business. Platforms like Instagram, Facebook, Pinterest, and TikTok offer incredible opportunities to connect with your target audience, build a community, and drive traffic to your store. Create engaging content, run targeted ads, and leverage influencer marketing to reach a wider audience. Don't be afraid to get creative with your marketing. Think outside the box, run contests, offer discounts, collaborate with other businesses, or even host online events. The key is to stand out from the crowd and capture your audience's attention. Remember, marketing is an ongoing process. It's about consistently putting yourself out there and connecting with your audience. Content is king in the digital world. Create valuable content that educates, entertains, or inspires your audience. Think blog posts, videos, podcasts, or even social media stories. By providing value to your audience, you'll build trust, establish your brand as an authority, and ultimately drive sales. Section 7. Day 1 and beyond. Launching your store and keeping the momentum. Launch day is finally here. It's time to unleash your creation upon the world. Take a deep breath, hit that publish button, and watch your store come to life. But remember, launching your store is just the beginning. The real work starts now. It's about consistency, persistence, and a relentless pursuit of growth. Monitor your store's performance closely. Track your sales, website traffic, and customer engagement. Use analytics tools to understand what's working and what's not. Don't be afraid to make adjustments along the way. The beauty of the digital world is that you can constantly iterate and improve your strategy based on real-time data. Engage with your customers. Respond to comments, answer questions, and build relationships. Your customers are your most valuable asset. Treat them like gold. Ask for their feedback, listen to their suggestions, and use their insights to improve your products and services. Remember, building a successful business is about more than just transactions. It's about building a community. Don't be afraid to scale your business as you grow. Experiment with new products, expand into new niches, or even explore new marketing channels. The possibilities are endless. Remember, entrepreneurship is a journey, not a destination. Embrace the challenges, celebrate the victories, and never stop learning. Section 8. Conclusion. From creative spark to profitable empire. Congratulations! You've made it. You've taken the leap and embarked on your entrepreneurial journey. You've learned about the power of print on demand, the importance of niche targeting, the art of design, the ins and outs of online stores, and the strategies for marketing mastery. You're well on your way to building a thriving business. Remember, this is just the beginning. The world of print on demand is constantly evolving. New trends emerge, technologies advance, and customer preferences shift. Stay curious, stay adaptable, and never stop learning. Embrace the challenges, celebrate the victories, and keep that entrepreneurial fire burning bright. This is about more than just making money. It's about turning your passion into a tangible reality. It's about creating something you're proud of, something that brings value to others. It's about building a legacy that extends beyond yourself. So go out there, crush it, and show the world what you're capable of. The print-on-demand revolution is here, and you're leading the charge. Your creative spark has the power to ignite a profitable empire. Now go make it happen.